Hello everyone. Recently, last paper of my second semester happened, that is of my first year, and that's how my first year of college out of total 4 years came to an end. Sitting on my bed, staring at my laptop screen whether my paper is actually submitted or not. And that's how my friends celebrated end of our first year. And the sad thing is none of us have ever visited the college, except for the people who live nearby and post photos of themselves in college. And the first reaction after looking at those photos is,
जिंदगी हो तो ऐसी हो.
so this is my first year of college online. So let's start from the beginning. Date 5th October 2020. When JEE advanced result was announced, I was so happy. But by the time 4th round happened, I realized अब state CET से हमारा कुछ हो सकता है. So after messing in my JEE, I got admission into Engineering College of Maharashtra on basis of my CET scores. And that's how my journey started. Apart from academics.
Wait a minute!
Okay, sorry. Academics and studies was never part of our schedule. And to be honest, nothing level happened if I want to tell something about studies. I joined some club. I performed in front of audience for first time. More like in front of a webcam, but still I did. I participated and performed in drama skit for first time in my life.
समंदर के किनारे आंधी नहीं होती, जिससे मोहब्बत हो जाए उससे शादी नहीं होती. समंदर के किनारे तू नको ना अँगल काढू, ते परत चुका काढेल. तू नको अँगल घेऊ, बस एका ठिकाणी.
I even participated in stand-up comedy. I think so. अगर ये कोई टीचर देख रहा है तो I secured 3rd rank in it out of total 3 participants. But the main thing is I tried not to make the online situation boring. I even tried for some internships, but to which their reply was, and it's pretty obvious because in first year we don't have much knowledge about that subject, about that field, and that too in online situation it becomes much more difficult. But keeping all these things aside, what I've learned in my first year of college is much more valuable than the list of formulas which I just mugged up and I did for exam. So the first thing that I would like to share is that you should try new things. Now this is something that you might have heard a number of times, that the college is the place where you can start something of your own, where you can try new things, etc, etc. And that's true because you never know where your interest lies, so at least you should discover them. Because on my personal experience, I have tried a lot of things in my first year of college. I have tried some new things, I have made some mistakes, I even got scolded from seniors, I even got some strict warnings, but at the end of the day, it actually doesn't matter if it was making you better at something, right? Second thing that I've learned and I'd like to share is that being positive. Not the COVID wala, but the overall positive behavior and a positive attitude. Because whole this year we were like, up chalo hoge colleges, and after every month government used to come and say, your colleges reopening has been postponed due to the rise in COVID cases. So after a while, I was like, ठीक है यार, उन्हें अब जब चालू करना है कर देंगे. We should not bother them. And one more thing related to being positive that I have learned is that we should never say no to anything. And this is something that my senior even scolded me for. So remember, never say no. Now the most important thing that I have learned this year is that online friendships can be real. Now I was the person who used to say like, तुम यार अभी तक एक दूसरे से मिले भी नहीं हो और तुम क्या दोस्ती लगा रखी है. But I think I was wrong and I wish I was wrong because I made some great friends this year. Because even you know that every friendship has an age. All my classmates are with me until I'm graduated. But still there are some friends whom you never want to lose. And if you have found one in your online classes, then congratulations man.
I see this as an absolute win.
For instance, you can find someone to start a YouTube channel with, and also find someone with whom you can make some great music.
कभी मेरा था पर अब बेगाना है ये.
You can find some people with abnormalities, some people who are great friend, mentor and guides, etc. And on this note, our video ends. I hope everything comes to normal and our colleges start soon and we can see all those virtual friends in real life as well. Till then, keep watching, keep enjoying and keep making memories. Bye. One more thing, if you have your friend in other colleges who is also experiencing the online situation, then it's highly possible that even he is feeling something similar to this, then you can share this video with them. Because दुख बांटने से बढ़ता है, नहीं, sorry, because दुख बांटने से कम होता है. So on this note, bye bye, take care.